Hello everyone, this is Prakash from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I have covered how to turn a sketch that you created into a vector graphic in Illustrator. If you missed watching that video, so you can check the description below where I already dropped the link of that video. So in this video, I'm with another sketch. You can see on the screen, this is a round elephant. So this logo is going to be a toy shop logo. So if you want to learn the whole procedure of this designing, so you have to be with me till end of this video. So I'm going to see you in the video. Thank you. Hello everyone. You can see on the screen one more exciting things I got. So this is what I'm going to create. So this is a logo for a toy shop. So you can see one more animal, that is elephant in the round shape. That's why it's looking so cute like the other ones which I had created in my previous videos. So let me tell you what I have created in the previous video. So let's see quickly. These are the two things I had actually created in my previous video. If any of you missed watching this video, you can go and check description box below. I've already dropped the link of these two videos. You can go and watch it. So let's go further with this. So as you can see, I have logged this. I have also set it as a template on the separate layer, and I have also created the new one layer on which we are going to have our vector graphic. So select this one. Let's start it. So obviously I need circle because the logo is going to be in the round shape. So select the circle and create a round shape. Click. So I'm going to change its color. I would like to have color that is gray. I think it is gray. It is gray. I would like to have it, and I don't want right now stroke color. I just want it to be have this just having fill color. So I'm going to switch it by pressing Shift X. Okay. Let's get into the outline mode. Let's see what's going on. Let's set the position. Let's give it the position better way. Okay. When you are transforming any object, make sure you are transforming with Shift. Maybe you are transforming along with pressing two keys, Shift and Alt, so that you can increase its size in the proportion. Okay. So the second thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to create this shape. So I'm going to take the help of pen tool. So I just pressed P to access the pen tool, or you can go here to access the pen tool. So I'm going to click here, and then obviously I will click on this point. So point on this line. So let's create a slight curve. Then we need to have the point right here actually. So one more thing which I'm going to take care of, the feet shape. Actually, I personally don't like the shape that is coming here in the sketch. So I just want to replace this feet shape with the original one elephant actually has. So with that one I'm going to replace it. So let's make it curve like this, and make this curve. Now create this curve. So the point I'm going to place, actually I'm going to place the point over here, and then I need to place point on this exact on this line, and need to create a curve. So I need to flow here actually, and then I have to come back to create the trunk. So let's go in this direction, and then click here. Let's make the trunk. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to make a round shape. So let's finish this shape and close it. So let's get out of the I'll get out of outline mode. Let's see actually what we have. I'm going to change the color. So let's so I just want trim this part from the background shape. So make sure you are selecting both the shape all together, then press Shift M key to access shape builder tool here, then trim them while pressing Alt. Okay, so I can see some feasible issues coming on this shape here. I just want it to be a little round with the help of this curve. Here we need to have round, so I think we can make it round. Make this one also round. Okay, so here this point is also on the right position, and this is also being little pointed. So select this one. We can tweak with the help of, let's make it round. So we are going the right direction. Actually, this is what I'm thinking. So let's get it in. Let's move into this outline mode so that we can see what we need to make further. I'm going to start with this now. So in order to create this, I'm taking the help of the ellipse tool. So let's create a circle. Create a circle and position this in the well way. I think I'm quite happy with this. So I'm going to add other color so that we can have its visibility. So I don't want it to have the fill color. I just want to replace the fill one with the strokes. In order to do that, we can switch actually. We can switch between the color by pressing Shift X. Look at the screen. I'm pressing Shift X, so you can witness the switching between the color. So let's see how we want it to be. Select this one. So it should start from here, exact from this point, and should go and up to here. So I just want to get rid of this line. So in order to do this, what we have to do, we have to switch to the pen tool. So press P key on your keyboard, then click here. Up to here you want it to be. Now the second point that will come here. So the rest line, let's get rid of this. We don't need this. I'm going to delete. So let's add some other color on the stroke so that we can have the visibility of it. I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to have the stroke on this. So I'm going to add a stroke. To add a stroke, we need to click on the below this square one. Just click on this, and I'm going to, the color which I would like to have on the stroke is blue gray dark, something like this. I really like this one. So let's increase the value of thickness. It has been actually too much. I think let's decrease to the 7. And something weird going on here. Let's get rid of this flat part. So how to do that? This is going on because of the stroke. Let's go to the stroke stroke. Here we can set round cap and round corner. So here we go. Let's select this one. Select this one. Actually we need to have the same stroke color on this also. So select this one. Now we can see the same color over here. Let's go to the swatches panel to store this color and drag and drop. Now select this stroke and just click on this. Okay. Now one more thing. I think we need to increase the size, thickness of this, and let's set it to the round cap and round corner. Here we can see the visible issue. We need to take it down a little more, I think. So I'm happy with this. Still a problem is coming here, so better to decrease the size. I'm going to decrease this. I think it should be up to 7 point, I think. like this. Now we can take it up. Okay, so let's switch into the outline mode. Let's see what we need to create. Eyes. Let's create eyes in the round shape. So I'm going to add fill color into this. Let's make it smaller a little bit. Actually, I'm not happy with the shape that is coming here. It should be even more in the round curve. So let's tweak it. I'm not happy with the shape. I think when we are not happy with any shape, we have to keep tweaking and pulling those points until we'll have the desired shape. This is actually designing. The more you will pour yourself in designing, in tweaking, the more exact and nice result you are going to have. So keep tweaking, don't avoid it. So little things are going meshing up here. So let's manage. It is not coming in the round shape actually. Let's take this point to the left, little left. Now that is okay. So lastly, I need to have these strokes. I think I need to add these. So in order to achieve that effect, I'm going to use pen tool. I'm going to press P key on the keyboard to access the pen tool. So next I'm going to click exact here, then here. Now click here and here, click here and here. Actually you have to be in the flow of this previous actually line. According to that you have to create. So this is nice. So I'm going to make it smaller and I'm going to take into my main artboard. I think the color I'm seeing, the gray color inside main object has been so darker. So I'm going to switch it to the little lighter one. Oh, actually it has both the color. You can see on the screen it has both the color. Fill and stroke. We need to get rid of this fill. Let's select this one and this one. Let's get rid of fill. Now to make it even more better, we need to add some highlight here and here. So there's not a particular position to add the highlight. So wherever you find the proper position to add highlight, you can go and freely add. So the proper position I'm seeing right now, this is here and this here. So let's create highlight over here. I'm going to create a point over here and then like this, and I need to close this path. So like this, I need to make sure if this curve is going best or not. It should be even more smoother. So I want this highlight to be very broader from the starting. So it should go till end very taper. I think it's okay. Let's select this one and this one, both the shape we need to select, and let's activate our shape builder tool by pressing Shift and M, and while pressing Alt key, then get rid of this. Okay, so now switch to the stroke color and add some light color. I'm going to add white color actually. Now we can take the opacity down. Okay, let's make it transform this little, and let's transform this. Yeah. Okay, we can hide this part under the stroke you are seeing here. Let's take points there. Obviously what we can do, we can bring this in the foreground by pressing Ctrl Shift plus parenthesis key. Just click on that. Okay, now I'm going to create one more highlight here. So I'm going to click here and here. So let's set the proper curve and close the shape. So select this one and let's switch to the shape builder tool and get rid of this. I'm going to select this one because I have to have this color. So just select this one and let's activate eyedropper tool by pressing I key on the keyboard and then click on this. So actually what's going on, this new shape we just created is overlapping this stroke. So let's shift it a bit. So this is where we have ended up with the elephant and toy shop logo. So I'm going to group it. So let's it is the time to name it by pressing T key to activate the command of text tool. Toy, T-O-Y, toy shop, S-H-O-P, toy shop. So let's enlarge this. So we can also make experiment with the font also. So let's check. So these are the font. Actually this is vintage and retro type of font. If you like, you can go for this. There's a lot of font in my list I have installed. Whichever you like, you can go for it. You can also go on the website like Da Font. You can have good font there. So I'm looking for the font which is cute, and I think this one would be appropriate. I'm going to go for this. So let's make it smaller. So make them smaller. Color I need the same color as this one. So let's go to the swatches and click on this. Here we go. Okay friend, that's all for this video. So I'm going to see you in the next video. I will be coming with the new logo with some exciting element. So see you there. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the bell icon right down there to get updated videos. It motivates me to create even more beautiful video for you. You can even comment me in the comment section down there. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.